Listen, people they do am well well oh. Assuming now, as we are traveling now, inside the bus where we dey together, one fine girl sit down beside me like this, then one fine boy sit down beside you, and you come begin dey get cough, serious cough, come dey worry you like say tomorrow no dey, like say you must cough that cough out, must. How you go take cough am in front of that person wey dey your side?
I go do like this.
Okay oh.
But
For
if
me,
na you, what you go do?
for me na like this I go do. Because of the girl wey dey my side na I go just do like this.
The thing no go remove now, but now I go do like this.
Just like that.
Yes.
No, me and like this I go do.
It is smoke
But
Igbo.
if come the thing come to the world I say I don't know wetin I go do again, I go just cough my cough.
Abi?
I go cough my cough now. No be money wey dey talk to. For this life, once you get money, any type of girl wey you want, you go carry am. I go cough my, I go do am like this.
Like trotro.
Like that, simple. I cough my cough very neat, very well. I go cough am oh.
That one no.
If she like me, no like me on, or I don't care.
And I no go even tell what you are talking.
I go just cough my cough, my dear. I no go carry cough because say girl waiting be. I no go do that one. Alright guys, thank you for watching this funny comedy. Please like, share, comment, follow for more. See you in my next post.
Na so e dey.